Welcome back to my channel. Students, today we solve mock test 14 of class 6 mathematics for your annual exam 2025. So let us start the session. We already completed up to mock test 13. If you not see the session, then go to playlist and check out the question and practice it. First question number 1. The coefficient of y in 5 by 2 x square y. So we write the answer is, if the coefficient, only coefficient, not the numerical coefficient, we write except y, that is 5 by 2 x square. Okay, because the question is find the coefficient of y. If the question asks find the coefficient of the x square, then we write except x square other, that is 5 by 2 y. Understand? Now write the statement to represent a constant. The constant example is the number of the day in January. Number of days in January month. Okay, or you can write number of the centimeter in 1 meter. These are the constant. Next question. Mr. Gupta purchased a house for rupees 2.5 lakh, means CP is given. So CP of house equal to 2.5 lakh. We can write 2540. Yes or no? Now spend, so write down overhead cost or repair cost. Overhead cost, or you can write repair cost, that is 50,000. Now you should find the actual CP. Actual CP equal to addition these two. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 carry 1, that is 3. So 3 lakh. Now sell it for 4 lakh, means selling price is given. So write down SP equal to 4 lakh, means 450. Now check out SP is greater than CP. So profit occur. So write down profit equal to SP minus CP, that is 4 lakh minus 3 lakh. Equal to 1 lakh. Okay. Now find out the profit percent or loss percent. So profit means profit percent. So profit percent equal to 1 lakh divided by actual CP, that is 3 lakh, into 100. So 0, 0 cancel. 100 by 3, that is 33 whole 1 by 3 percentage. Okay. Next question. In an orchard, there are 2a plus b plus 2 mango. Okay. The number of mango tree equal to how much? 2a plus b plus 2. And apple tree. Number of apple tree equal to 3a plus 2, minus 2b plus c. Now how many, a plus c plus 3 tree were destroyed. Okay. First of all, find the total tree in the orchard. Total number of mango and apple tree equal to addition C plus 2, because C and 2 are single, there is no like term. Now minus 2b plus b, that is minus b, and here is 5a. All of you understand? Now due to cyclone, number of tree destroyed. So write down number of tree destroyed equal to how much? Now a plus c plus 3. Now how many tree are left? So number of tree left means subtraction. First, change the sign. 3 minus 2. So 3 minus 3 plus 2, that is minus 1. Here is cancel, plus C and minus C. Then minus B, here is 4A. Okay. So answer is 4A minus B minus 1. Next question. The numerical coefficient of minus x square yz. So there is no numerical value is there, that's why 1. But we write this with sign, the sign is minus. So answer is minus 1. Dash is the part of the circle, that is answer is arc. Arc is the part of the circle. Suppose this is a circle and this is arc. This is the part of the circle. Who introduced the algebra in India? So answer is Aryabhat. Okay. Next, who is the father of algebra? Francis Vitte. Next, which of the following we can draw by using the compass? Okay, so we can draw first of all 60, then 120, and when you bisect 60 and 120, we find 90 degree. We bisect 90, we get 45 degree. We bisect 45, we get 22 half. 70 we cannot draw by using compass. 65, yes, we can draw because we can draw. No, 65 we cannot draw. And 37, no, we cannot draw by using compass. 135 we can draw because when we bisect 120 degree and 150 degree, then we get 135. Okay, so how to draw 150? Now when we bisect 120 degree and 180 degree, then we bisect, but we find 150 degree. Okay, so answer is 135. Completed. If you like the session, then you can subscribe my channel for more content. So try the previous mock test. Thank you.